Hey, Instagram and LinkedIn and Facebook. Okay, so today is finally the day 21. Arigato. Yes, I have done it. We have done it. Reached till 21 days. And every 21 days, S Peopletainment has made a video of little tips. I guess it is helpful for you guys. If you're watching me today the first time, go to my Facebook or Instagram, watch my day 1 arigato till day 21 arigato. So why I call this today as a finale, because whatever the task you take, you follow that for 21 days, and next 21 days it will help you to give you a push. The habit is built automatically. Okay, so what I'm going to speak today is your words. Okay, so your words has power. How it has power? Say example, we do affirmations, we write affirmations, but we don't pay attention what kind of words we are speaking, what kind of affirmation we are giving through words. We don't concentrate on that, or we don't give importance to our words. हम कभी भी कुछ भी बोल देते हैं, मुझसे नहीं होता, वो नहीं होता, ये नहीं होता. You shouldn't ever say this. Okay, so because हमेशा के लिए वो वही हो जाता है. So whatever you say, whatever your words has power, that will come true. So why not utilize it in a way that helps us to attract positivity, to attract more energy, more positive energy. Okay, say example, you want to go to a gym, or you want to start a meditation, or you want to start a business. हमेशा mindset क्या होता है? Maximum 90% of the लोग कल कर लेंगे. कल कभी नहीं होता, हमेशा आज करनी है, अभी करनी है. Okay, if you notice my WhatsApp status, I have started Surya Namaskar. I have not doing I stopped doing Surya Namaskar since April pandemic. After April, I don't know what happened, I just stopped it. I didn't do it. But the day I decided आज करूँगी, आज से करूँगी next 21 days. So I have started giving a commitment in the medium, in the platform, so that people will know I am doing Surya Namaskar, and that will be a commitment to myself. I don't have to go. मैं अपनी word से पीछे नहीं जाना चाहती हूँ. ठीक है? So now I do Surya Namaskar. Today is a day 2 for Surya Namaskar. I will go and continue till 21 days. That is the commitment you give. How? I put out a word, I put out a affirmation, I speak those kind of words which gonna help me to execute it, which gonna help me to take actions. So your words has power. Hamesha don't say problem, always say challenge. I learned this from my mentor. There is no problem at all in this world, there is always a challenge. Okay, use the word challenge instead of a problem. Use the word today instead of tomorrow. Okay, so change your behavior towards the kind of choice of words you use in your daily life. It will impact you in a bigger way. You cannot even imagine that. So starting today, do these changes. Do these changes हमेशा. Okay, चैलेंज बोलनी है, प्रॉब्लम नहीं बोलनी है, नर्वस नहीं बोलनी है, एक्साइटमेंट बोलना है. कुछ करने से पहले यार मैं बहुत डर गया हूँ, बहुत फियरफुल लग रहा है, बहुत डर लग रहा है. डोंट यूज दीज काइंड ऑफ वर्ड्स. एक्साइटमेंट, फील यार आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड. दिस ऑल्सो आई लर्न फ्रॉम माई मेंटर. डोंट यूज द वर्ड नर्वस, यूज द वर्ड एक्साइटमेंट. डोंट यूज द वर्ड प्रॉब्लम, यूज द वर्ड चैलेंज इंस्टेड. Don't use the word tomorrow, use the word today if you want to start something. आज से start होती है, कल से कुछ नहीं start होता है. Okay? And I can give you a lot of examples. अभी कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा है, बस इतना ही ध्यान रख लेना. आपका word, आपका शब्द पावरफुल है. उस शब्द को नेगेटिव में यूज कर रहे हो, पॉजिटिव में, अपनी फेवर में यूज कर रहे हो, आपकी हाथों में है. इसके लिए कोई मेडिटेशन क्लास की जरूरत नहीं है. एक डिसीजन ले लो, अपने आप को, अपनी वर्ड्स को, चॉइस ऑफ वर्ड्स को चेंज कर लो, शिफ्ट कर लो. योर लाइफ विल चेंज, योर डिसीजन मेकिंग विल चेंज, योर एक्शन, योर पावर of taking action will change in a positive way. Okay, this is what I want to convey and conclude on day 21 arigato. Whoever watched me since the day one, thank you so much. I'm so blessed, and keep supporting me. If you want meditation classes, if you want business coaching, we are here, but I prefer to only teach. People are approaching me, I prefer to teach entrepreneurs because they have a goal, they understand my language, they understand if I say the word has power, they understand it. Many of you might not understand. I have to go the roots and correct it, your behaviors, and उसके लिए बहुत time लगता है. If it is entrepreneurs, I just need to help them to push more for them, and they'll be able to perform in their life. That's why I prefer entrepreneurs. If you need coach, if you want to learn meditation, go for it starting from today. Okay, so this is Yes Peopletainment day 21 arigato. I'm super happy, and I am not going to stop. It's gonna continue, and my next classes is already commenced. People are approaching. I'm helping a lot of people coming out of their stress, coming out of their normal routine, start loving themselves. That is what motive, that is what Yes Peopletainment का एक मिशन है, मेडिटेशन को कोने कोने तक पहुंचाने के लिए. एंड आई एम डूइंग लॉट ऑफ चैरिटी वर्क एज वेल. आई हैव इनिशिएटेड टीचिंग meditation on a charity for underprivileged girls. That's something I want to do for a long time, and I'm in the progress. With the blessings of all of you, I hope ki I can help from other background as well. Okay, so this is all about Yes Peopletainment day 21 arigato. I'll see you in a next set of program. I'll see you in next I don't know what I have planned on video. Maybe I'll continue these arigato video, 1 or 2 minutes video. Maybe I'll come up with something, but I'm feeling great. Please create